What's up, future millionaires? Have you ever seen a YouTube niche that's exploded from zero to hundreds of thousands of subscribers in just a few months? No face, no voice, no complex editing, and totally AI friendly? Well, prepare to have your mind blown because today we're diving deep into ancient wisdom, a niche soaring on YouTube right now. I'm talking channels like the one we're dissecting today, which started in January 2024 and already boasts 341,000 subscribers across 765 videos. They're absolutely dominating by sharing simple, positive content for an older demographic. And guess what? You can do this too. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to tap into this goldmine using AI so you can start building your own monetized faceless YouTube empire. So, why is this old age wisdom format blowing up? It's all about simplicity, depth, and reach. The content is evergreen, focusing on life tips, health advice, and motivation, delivered in a soothing, respectful tone. It connects deeply with an audience looking for genuine, positive guidance without the hyper-stimulation of typical online content. Videos often use calming visuals, clear narration, and easy-to-read text, making them accessible and engaging. This style makes production incredibly fast, allowing channels to upload frequently, which YouTube absolutely loves. The more often you upload, the more chances you have to hit that algorithm's sweet spot. And with AI, you can churn out high-quality content like a machine. Now, you don't just want to copy. You want to innovate. While old age wisdom is the broad niche, your unique angle will set you apart. Think about specific sub-niches that resonate with you. Are you passionate about Stoic philosophy applied to modern life? Or maybe practical gardening tips for seniors? Perhaps financial wisdom for retirees? The possibilities are endless. This niche has lasting demand because as populations age worldwide, there's a growing need for content that speaks directly to their experiences and challenges. A quick Google Trends search for terms like longevity tips or mindfulness for seniors will show you just how massive this audience is. Find that sweet spot where a specific need meets your unique perspective. Validation is key before you even write a single word. Don't just think there's a market, prove it. Head over to YouTube and search for keywords related to your niche, like life lessons for seniors or peaceful living advice. Then use the filters. Upload date to this month and sort by to view count. What do you see? Channels with relatively few subscribers but thousands, even millions of views on recent videos? That's your green light. Look for patterns. What topics are trending? What visual styles are working? What kind of music is used? You're not copying. You're identifying what resonates with the audience without reinventing the wheel entirely. This intelligence will inform your content strategy. Now, for the magic of AI scripting without sounding like a robot. Here's the trick. Don't just ask ChatGPT to write a script from scratch. Instead, find popular videos in your niche and grab their transcripts. You know, the option below the video. Feed 2 to 3 of these transcripts into ChatGPT with a prompt like, "Analyze these video scripts for tone, structure, and emotional resonance. I want to create a similar script on your specific topic." Make sure it uses a conversational, empathetic tone, avoids jargon, and includes clear calls to action. It should be approximately 1,500 words. The key is to give ChatGPT examples of human-like writing to learn from. Then have it blend insights from these multiple sources into a brand new, unique script. Remember to read through and add your human touch. Rephrase sentences, add a personal anecdote, even if fabricated for the script, and break it down into easy-to-digest paragraphs for a natural voiceover flow. Once your script is polished, it's time to bring it to life with AI voiceovers. I mean, who has time to record hours of narration, right? We're talking 11 Labs for this. Go into 11 Labs and experiment with their voice library, especially in the narrative or educational categories. Find a voice that sounds warm, authoritative, and calming, something that embodies wisdom. Once you've chosen your voice, save it as a brand voice for your channel. This consistency is crucial for brand recognition. Paste chunks of your script into 11 Labs, paying attention to natural pauses and emphasis. You can tweak stability and clarity settings to make it sound even more human. Pro tip: Generate voiceovers in smaller segments for better emotional control and easier editing later. This is where your video truly stands out thanks to AI tools. While stock footage works, imagine unique AI-generated visuals that perfectly match your script's emotion. Use a tool like Leonardo AI or the amazing Skyries tool our source video used to generate visuals. For each key point in your script, create an image prompt. Think elderly woman meditating in a serene garden, or young couple holding hands watching a sunset. Keep the visual style consistent across your videos. If you start with a painterly aesthetic, stick with it. The goal is to illustrate your points without being distracting. You want gentle, uplifting, and thought-provoking imagery that complements the narration and keeps viewers engaged for the long haul. Alright, now it's time to assemble your masterpiece in CapCut. First, import your AI-generated voiceover. Your background music, calm, royalty-free tracks are a must for this niche, and all the AI-generated images and video clips you've created. Drag your voiceover onto the timeline. Next, bring in your visuals, perfectly syncing them with the narration. Don't be afraid to let images linger if the voiceover is contemplative, or switch them more rapidly during a section with more energetic advice. Add subtle motion to still images, pan, zoom, to keep them dynamic. And here's a critical point for this niche. Add clear, easy-to-read captions for every spoken word. This boosts accessibility for your target audience. Finally, trim any awkward pauses, and use smooth, non-distracting transitions like dissolves or fades. Export in high quality, and boom, you've got a video ready to captivate. So, why is all this effort worth it? Because this niche offers a low barrier to entry with massive potential. You don't need expensive equipment, a fancy studio, or even to show your face. It's fully AI-powered, allowing you to scale content creation exponentially. Think about it. A channel that started in January 2024 is already at 341,000 subscribers, pumping out 765 videos. If even a fraction of those monetize through ads, sponsorships, or digital products, the earnings are significant. It isn't just about views. It's about building a loyal community around evergreen wisdom. The sooner you start, the sooner you tap into this powerful trend. Your journey to a successful Faceless channel begins now. Before you go, listen. If you've made it this far into the video, that already tells me something important. You're serious. Not everyone watches till the end. Most people quit early, get distracted, or jump to the next thing. But you stayed. And that means you're someone who actually wants to build something real. And that is exactly why you should hit subscribe to the spizroaiforbrands right now, because everything you learned today is only the beginning. On this channel, I don't drop random information. I give you actionable, step-by-step systems that you can take right now and turn into a faceless YouTube income stream. Whether you're a beginner, a student, someone working a job, or even someone who has failed multiple times, this channel is built for you. Subscribing isn't just supporting the channel. It's joining a community of people who want to change their lives using AI. You get weekly deep dive tutorials with current algorithm-ready strategies, secret AI tools and workflows that viral channels use behind the scenes, copy-paste templates you can use the same day, niche research to help you stay early, and real motivation so you're never building alone. So if you're watching silently, learning silently, take 1 second and hit subscribe, because the videos coming next aren't just content, they're blueprints. And here's something most people don't know. YouTube recommends videos based on your goals. So by subscribing, you're telling the algorithm, show me more videos that help me build and grow. It's the easiest step you can take today that pushes you forward. And before we wrap up, here's something valuable. If you wait until you feel ready, you'll never start. Every viral channel you see today started messy, with imperfect videos. They just took action earlier. So let this be your moment to start, to build, to grow, and to stay ahead with the spizroaiforbrands guiding you every step. Hit subscribe, turn on all notifications, and get ready. Because the next video I'm dropping will give you a massive advantage over everyone else starting in this niche. I appreciate you, I believe in you, and I'll see you in the next one.
Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt like you suddenly aged overnight? Without anything major actually changing? Most men think looking older comes from wrinkles or gray hair. But the truth is, long before your appearance shifts, your habits, behavior, and daily lifestyle choices start aging you from the inside out. And the worst part? You don't even notice it happening. Today, we're breaking down 5 lifestyle mistakes that quietly add years to your appearance, drain your energy, and make you seem older, sometimes even a decade older than you actually are.